To create a new multi-chain wallet on Trust Wallet, start by opening the app on your mobile device. Upon opening, you'll see the home base, where you'll need to tap on the Create a New Wallet option. Next, create a new password for your wallet, remembering that it must be a 6-digit PIN, not 4-digit. Enter the 6-digit PIN and then confirm it by typing it again in the provided space. After that, you'll have the option to back up a secret phrase, either manually or to iCloud. Choose your preferred backup method, and if using iCloud, select a backup name, for example, Main Wallet, and tap Continue. Then, set a new password for your wallet and tap on the Set Encryption Password option. Confirm the password by typing it in again, and then tick the 2 boxes and tap Confirm. This will complete the process of creating a new multi-chain wallet on Trust Wallet.